Hello student, today I am here to discuss about limit test for arsenic. Already we have discussed different limit tests for different substances such as chloride, sulfate, iron, etc. In this topic we are going to discuss about limit test of arsenic. Students, before going to the main content, we should know little bit about arsenic. Arsenic is a chemical element which is denoted by the symbol As. Arsenic is a metalloid. That means it has both metal and non-metal behavior. Arsenic has many industrial use. However, it is harmful to our body. So we are pharma students. We mainly deals with drug to cure disease or ailments. Presence of any harmful substance in drug is dangerous to our health. That means drugs should be free from impurities. Since arsenic is a toxic substance, it should not be present in drug preparation. This is the need why we are now studying about limit test of arsenic. Now we are going to discuss about the basis of this limit test. This test is based on the reaction of arsenic with hydrogen ion to form yellow stain on mercury chloride paper in presence of reducing agents such as potassium iodide. The test is also called as Gadget test. Now we are going to discuss the reaction elaborately. It is a multiple step reaction. In the first step, the sample is dissolved in acid which convert arsenic impurity into arsenic acid. The formula of arsenic acid is H3ASO4. In the second step, this arsenic acid convert into arsenious acid in the presence of reducing agent like potassium iodide. In the third step, this arsenious acid further reduced to arsine gas. When this arsine gas is passed through the mercury chloride paper, it gives yellow stain on the paper. The intensity of the color is proportional to the quantity of arsenic. That means if the amount of arsenic in the sample is more, then it gives more intense yellow stain and vice versa. See this diagram. This is called Gadget apparatus, as the reaction is called Gadget test. Here, sample along with reducing agent is placed in the lower portion of the apparatus. This portion is connected to a tube-like fissure. In the upper part of the tube, there is a hole where a paper moistened with mercury chloride is placed. Stepwise reaction takes place gradually through upward direction. Lastly, arsine gas is produced. It gives yellow stain on the paper. In this test, we have to observe the intensity of yellow color. as all of you know that in every limit test we compare the sample with a standard which is treated in the similar way like sample. In this limit test also we have to compare yellow stain produced by the sample with yellow stain produced by the standard. If the yellow stain produced by the sample is equal or less than the standard, then it passes the limit test. Otherwise, vice versa, that means if the stain produced by the sample is more than the standard, then it will fail the test. That is all about the limit test of arsenic. Thank you all.